The long-running legal battle between Ripple and the US Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, is finally nearing its conclusion, and the crypto world is on the edge of its seat. After years of uncertainty, this case has the potential to change everything for XRP and the entire cryptocurrency market. Ripple, the company behind XRP, has been fighting allegations from the SEC that it sold XRP as an unregistered security. This battle has caused huge waves in the crypto space, with Ripple facing serious legal consequences and XRP's future hanging in the balance. The SEC's stance could have far-reaching effects, not just for Ripple, but for every cryptocurrency project and for how they are treated by regulators in the US. So what does the case closing mean for XRP? Could Ripple win this fight and clear the way for XRP's growth and adoption? Or will the case's outcome result in new hurdles for Ripple and the crypto world? With the end of the case in sight, all eyes are now focused on the potential consequences for XRP, the future of Ripple, and how this will impact the broader crypto industry. This decision could change the course of crypto regulation, reshaping the landscape for years to come. To understand just how big this case is, let's take a quick look back at what led us here. The SEC filed its lawsuit against Ripple in December 2020, accusing the company of selling XRP as an unregistered security. The SEC argued that Ripple had been conducting illegal securities sales by offering XRP to the public without proper registration, something that's required for securities under US law. Ripple, however, disagreed with this claim, insisting that XRP is not a security, but rather a digital asset like Bitcoin or ethereum. This disagreement is what sparked the legal battle, and ever since, the case has been a major focal point in the crypto world. Ripple's defense has been that the SEC was unfairly treating XRP differently from other cryptocurrencies, and that there was never clear guidance on how digital assets should be regulated. They've also argued that XRP has been in use for years, and that the SEC's sudden move to label it as a security came too late and was unreasonable. On the other hand, the SEC has insisted that the sale of XRP was a violation of securities laws, with the company failing to register XRP as a security before offering it to the public. This case has been closely watched by not just Ripple, but by other crypto projects as well. The outcome of this lawsuit has the potential to affect how other digital currencies and blockchain projects are regulated, especially those that have faced similar scrutiny from regulators. The ruling could either open the door for more clarity in how the government deals with crypto, or it could set a new wave of regulation that could change the landscape of the entire industry. For Ripple, this battle has been costly, but the stakes couldn't be higher, as the outcome will likely impact their future and how XRP is used in the financial world moving forward. With the case nearing its end, we're finally starting to get a sense of what the future holds for Ripple and XRP. As the case nears its end, the big question now is, what does this mean for XRP's future? The impact of the ruling, whether it's in favor of Ripple or a settlement, will be massive. If Ripple wins, it could be a huge turning point, not just for the company, but for XRP and the entire cryptocurrency market. A victory would likely lead to XRP being relisted on major exchanges that had previously delisted it due to the uncertainty surrounding the case. With exchanges reopening trading, it could create a surge in demand for XRP, possibly driving up its price and making it more accessible to investors and users worldwide. On top of that, Ripple would be free from the constant legal battles, allowing the company to focus on expansion. Ripple has been working to improve cross-border payments by offering fast, cheap, and secure transactions through blockchain technology. If Ripple wins the case, they can push forward with these innovations without the fear of regulatory roadblocks hanging over them. XRP could also see more adoption in real-world applications, especially in the financial sector, where faster transactions and lower fees are increasingly valuable. If the case ends in Ripple's favor, we could also see more clarity in the crypto market. This victory might set a legal precedent that would influence how regulators treat other digital assets moving forward. It could create a more defined regulatory framework for cryptocurrencies, making it easier for other projects to grow without the fear of unpredictable government actions. Ripple's success could help establish a clearer path for the entire crypto industry, providing more confidence to investors and developers alike. On the flip side, if Ripple doesn't win and the SEC prevails, the outcome could be far more challenging for XRP. It could lead to more restrictions on how XRP can be traded and used, potentially causing a dip in the token's value and stalling Ripple's business efforts. For now, the crypto world is on edge, waiting to see how the final ruling will play out and what it means for the future of Ripple, XRP, and the broader industry. The ripple effects of this case go far beyond just Ripple and XRP. The outcome of this legal battle has the potential to reshape the entire cryptocurrency industry. If Ripple wins, it could mark a significant shift in how cryptocurrencies are regulated in the US and perhaps set a precedent for how the SEC handles other crypto projects. The case has been a major point of contention between the crypto community and regulators, and a Ripple victory could be seen as a win for innovation and blockchain technology. It would send a message that cryptocurrencies can exist and grow without being suffocated by outdated or unclear laws. In the aftermath of a potential Ripple win, the crypto industry could see a wave of more defined regulations that offer clearer guidelines for how crypto companies can operate. This could encourage other blockchain-based projects to enter the market with more confidence, knowing that they have a better understanding of how to navigate the regulation. It could also encourage traditional financial institutions to get more involved with crypto, seeing it as a safer and more stable investment. On the other hand, if Ripple loses, and the SEC is able to successfully classify XRP as a security, it could lead to a much harsher environment for the rest of the industry. The SEC could increase its scrutiny of other cryptocurrencies, potentially leading to more regulatory crackdowns on projects that don't fall in line with the government's interpretation of securities laws. This would put more pressure on other companies and may slow down innovation, with many companies possibly deciding that the risks of developing blockchain technology under strict regulatory conditions are too high. For Ripple, though, the focus will likely shift toward moving past the legal drama and ramping up its efforts to expand its influence on the global financial system. With a win, Ripple could further push for mass adoption of XRP, making it a cornerstone of the future of payments. The company could continue to build relationships with banks and financial institutions, expanding its reach globally and using XRP as a bridge currency for international transfers. Whether Ripple wins or loses, the next steps will be crucial in defining the future role of XRP and its place in the growing global financial ecosystem. Looking ahead, Ripple's path forward after this case is resolved could be filled with new opportunities. If Ripple wins the case, it would be able to fully focus on expanding its business and further developing the technology behind XRP. The company has always been at the forefront of improving cross-border payments, and with the legal uncertainty out of the way, Ripple would be free to accelerate its plans. Ripple has already formed important partnerships with financial institutions worldwide, and a legal victory would help solidify those relationships. Ripple could also look to expand its partnerships with other sectors, including fintech companies and remittance services, positioning XRP as a global solution for fast, cost-effective payments. With a win, Ripple could also push for greater adoption of XRP in everyday transactions, not just for banks and businesses, but also among consumers. The focus on making XRP a usable, practical currency for real-world applications would likely intensify. Ripple could work on further streamlining its blockchain technology, making it even more efficient and secure. This would open up the door for new innovations, making XRP an integral part of the digital economy, especially in regions where traditional financial systems are less reliable. Additionally, Ripple may explore new use cases for XRP